Today I'm going to be transplanting my dahlias. Here we go, Dahlia Dwarf mixed. They've been in here for a number of weeks now, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you want to get a flat knife, something that's not sharp. Pull them up like that. Once you get them out, gently tease them apart, like so. There we go. Get as much root ball as you can with them. Once you prick them out like so, get your little pot, place in your pot. Careful to keep all the roots covered, because that's the last thing you want to do, to expose any of the roots and dry out. Right. Once it's in the centre, as so, top it with compost. Give it a quick tap down. That's the first one done. So as you can see, pricking out and potting on, quite a simple task. The next one, get your finger into the centre of the pot. You can see it as so. 2 seconds. Bit too much compost in that one. That's the one. Bit of compost around the top. And that's them. They'll be in there for a couple of weeks before they'll need repotting again. Once you've done that, water them well. Once you get to 3 or 4 leaves up the main stem, prick out the top, and that'll give you much bigger and bushier plants. Right, that's it for today. And that's Dahlia Dwarf mixed, potting on from seeds. Thank you, bye.